Mullen the Muppet. Lovely man. Nobody likes him. Look at that swagger. That's a stud. We'll just take it easy. I want knife edge passes with the fin touching the grass. Nothing hard. You can do it. Mullen, you Muppet! This will be the third video, won't it, Paul? I won't charge you much for this one. I'm nice like that. Mullen the legend, or is that leg end?
Leg end.
I know. You get us banned, mate. Very nice, mate. That was lovely. You're a lot more confident, Paul.
Yeah, I'm getting there, mate. Well, I've got minutes, so I'm going to set it up. Standing! Circuit.
Yep, check the wheels are down. Nice.
No.
First flight at a show, public show.
I'm still shaking.
Ah, you've done well there. Brilliant. Mullen, you Muppet. I love you.
I love you.
Don't tell anyone because gossip will spread.